Hello, everyone. It is your girl Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana. I got a great one for you. It's called Cruisin. The artist is SMOKEY Robinson. Sorry, I don't know who the choreography is. If you're interested in the step-by-step instruction, I'll post it at the end. And as a friendly reminder, if you're located in the New Orleans area and you're interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. And let's cruise, y'all. It's so smooth. when that song was created, but I know it's been a long time. The song is probably about 40 years old at least, and it's still beautiful. It's still timeless. That's called Cruising. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.